Hello everyone, welcome back, and you are watching my YouTube channel Technical World. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to delete your Siri history on iOS devices. Guys, if you want to delete Siri history, then keep watching this video until the end. And before start, please don't forget to subscribe and also press the bell icon to get latest video notifications. Let's start. To delete Siri history, first we have to go to settings. Under settings, scroll down, find and tap on Siri and search. And under Siri and search, scroll down and tap Siri and dictation history. Now tap again. Now tap delete Siri and dictation history. And tap again delete Siri and dictation history to confirm. That's it. A pop-up window will appear and we will get a message: your request was received. Tap dismiss. That's it. Friends, please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.